Good morning, class. Today is Monday, and today we are going to be working on our brand new letters. So today I have two letters that are new to teach you, and we're going to go over the sounds that they make, and we're even going to practice writing them. Now, these two letters are almost the last ones in the alphabet. I'll show you the pictures. This one is W, and this one is X. Now W looks like this, and it kind of looks like two V's right next to each other. So here's the big W, and then here's the little one. And W says W as in walrus. So this right here is a walrus. And walrus starts with the W sound. So it starts with a W. Very good. All right, now the next one we're gonna learn is the X. And it looks just like this. And X says X. Can you practice that with me? It's kind of hard. X says X as in fox. Good job. Now this one's a little bit tricky because it doesn't, not very many words begin with the X sound, but they end some words just like fox, or here's some other things over here. I see a box, or an axe, or the letter 6, or I know some little boys in our class whose name ends with X. Can you guess which ones? Maddox, right? Or Max. Those both end in X. So there's our second one, our second letter. So let's review what this one is. Do you know what letter this is? This is a W. And W says W. So W says W as in walrus. W says W, W, W. Great job. Now that you know this letter, we are going to practice writing it. So I have this little thing that's going to be kind of like our whiteboard because I don't have it with me. So the way that you write a W is just like you write a V, but there's two next to each other, okay? So you're going to start here like this and go down, up. See how it looks like a V? Now you're going to do it one more time. Down, up. And there's a W. There's a big one. You see the two V's right there? It's pretty easy, huh? Now let's practice the small one. And it's the same, except it's just a little bit smaller, okay? So it's down, up, down, up. You see the two little V's right there? That's how you write a big W and a little W. And what does W say? W, as in walrus. Great job. Now let's go over the other one. This one's pretty easy to write too. So this one is called, do you remember? X. And X says X. Good job. As in fox. Great job. You can see there's a fox right there. So X says X as in fox. X says X, X, X. That one's a little bit harder, a little bit more tricky, but we're gonna practice writing it now. And it's pretty easy. We're gonna start up at the top like we always do. And make make a line across. And then we're gonna crisscross them and start on this side and make another big line across. There you go, and that's how you make a big X. And a little X is the same, except it's a little bit smaller. So you're gonna start on this side at the top and make a little line across. And you're gonna start at the top on the other side and make another little line across. And that's how you make a big X and a little X. So let's review our 2 new letters and then we'll be all done for today. So the first one is W, and W says W as in walrus. W says W, W, W. This is the letter X. X says X as in fox. Great job. X says X, X, X. All right, now that we've learned our 2 new letters and we've learned how to write them, now it's time for you to take out your W and X papers, and I want you to practice writing your W's and your X's, okay? And if you want to do something else that's extra, you can also practice writing your name at the top of your paper, okay? If you need help, I'm sure your mom and dad would help you. All right, well, I will see you next time.